Welcome to Carb Manager. Our food databases include thousands of premium and free recipes. But what if you want to log a favorite recipe that you can't find in Carb Manager? In this video, we will show you how to create a custom recipe. To start, open the Food Finder, then go to Options and start your recipe. In the Create Recipe screen, enter a descriptive name to help you find the recipe later. You can also add an image from our icon library or upload your own photo. Next, enter the amount of time it takes to prepare and cook the food. In the Serving section, enter the amount, size, and weight. Next, enter a short description of the recipe. Now, add all of the ingredients. You can choose from every food in our database, as well as your favorites and custom foods that you created. For tips on how to search for foods and filter search results, see another tutorial called Find Foods in Carb Manager. Next, add the cooking instructions. Describe the first step, then add more steps as needed. Try to keep each step as short and simple as possible. You can change their order, add a photo, or delete them if needed. You can also select one or more tags that describe your recipe. In the next screen, decide whether to publish your custom recipe to our database so other members can find it. You can also save your food to a folder in My Foods, which can help you organize your lists. When you're done, create your recipe. It's ready to log right away, and you can find it later in My Foods and your favorites. For more information about creating custom foods, check out our helpful knowledge base, including the article Create Custom Recipes at help.carbmanager.com.